watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi and guys, today we are up with the third episode. So if you have missed first and the second part, I am putting the playlist link here. Make sure to watch the two episodes earlier. So this is the verb preposition part 3. Part 3 with mixed verbs. So we have used same verbs with different preposition. This is such an informative and a helpful video for you. Students actually demand us that please ma'am make such videos. So yes, we are here. Let's start the video. And guys, if you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, module practice, like whatever you can think around German. German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So make sure to subscribe German Gyan. Make sure to keep learning German with German Gyan. For what we are wasting the time, let's start the video.
Let's start the third episode of verbs with fixed prepositions. In this video, we will learn a verb with accusative preposition and again with dative preposition. It means the verb will be same, but we will be changing its prepositions and their meanings. So let's start the video. The first verb is denken and the preposition is an. Now, whenever we use the preposition an with this verb denken, in this case, the whatever object comes after an will be accusative. So, and yes, denken an means to think of someone or to think about something in emotional or intentional focus. For example, ich denke an dich means I think of you. Now, we will use the verb denken with the preposition von. In this case, the whatever object comes after the preposition von will be in dative case, and denken von means to think about someone or something in terms of opinion. For example, was denkst du von ihm means what do you think of him. Next verb is sich interessieren, and first we will use it with the preposition für and the object will be in accusative case. Sich interessieren für means to be interested in something. Now, sich interessieren für is more commonly used in everyday language. An example can be ich interessiere mich für Kunst means I am interested in arts. Now again the verb is sich interessieren and this time the preposition is an and whatever object comes after this an will be in dative case. This verb means to have interest in a field or topic. This is less common and more formal. And an example can be interessiert sich an Mathematik means he is interested in mathematics. Next verb is arbeiten an. In this case, whatever object comes after an will be dative. Arbeiten an means to work on something. For example, a task or a project. An example can be Sie arbeitet an einem Projekt means she is working on a project. Now second is arbeiten für and this time the object will be accusative. Arbeiten für means to work for someone or an organization. For example, arbeitet für eine Firma. It means he works for a company. Next verb is schreiben. Now, schreiben an means to write something addressed to someone. In this case, the object will be accusative. For example, ich schreibe einen Brief an dich. It means I am writing a letter to you. Now, we can use the same verb which is schreiben an in dative case also. Now, whenever we use the dative object after this verb with this preposition, then it means to write about or work on something. For example, ich schreibe an dem Projekt. It means I am working on the project. This verb means that if you change the object, the case of the object, then the meaning of the verb changes. So whenever you are using this verb, please remember that what you want to write and which object you are using. The fifth verb is sprechen. Now first we will use sprechen with über, which means to talk about a topic or a subject. In this case, the object will be in the accusative case. For example, wir sprechen über das Wetter means we are talking about the weather. Now second time we will use sprechen with the preposition mit. It means to talk or converse with someone. For example, ich spreche mit meinem Lehrer means I am speaking with my teacher. Please remember, whenever you are using sprechen with mit, then your object will be in dative case. Sixth verb is fragen. This time we will use fragen with über, and in this case the object will be in accusative. Fragen über means to ask about a topic or a subject. For example, fragt über das Buch means he asks about the book. And when we use fragen with nach, then in this case we use the object in dative case, and this verb means to ask about something, means to inquiry or search. For example, ich frage nach dem Weg means I ask about the way. It means you are inquiring about the way or you are searching the way. Next verb is lachen. Lachen über means to laugh about something or someone. With this verb we use accusative object. For example, wir lachen über den Witz means we laugh about the joke. And lachen plus mit means to laugh with someone, and in this case the object will be dative. For example, sie lacht mit ihren Freunden means she laughs with her friends. Next verb is erzählen über means to tell about something in detail. In this case the object will be in accusative case, and the example is sie erzählt über ihre Reise means she talks about her trip. Next is erzählen von means to tell about something or someone in a general sense. And this time the object will be in dative case. For example, sie erzählt von seiner Kindheit means she talks about his childhood. Next verb is sich streiten. First we will use this verb with the preposition and the object will be accusative. Now, sich streiten means to argue about something. For example, sie streiten sich das Geld means they are arguing about the money. Next time we will use the same verb with mit means sich streiten mit. It means to argue with someone, and this time the object will be in dative case. For example, streitet sich mit seinem Bruder means he argues with his brother. Next verb is sich beschweren. Sich beschweren über means to complain about something, and the object will be in accusative case. Example is ich beschwere mich über den Lärm means I complain about the noise. Next is sich beschweren bei means to complain to someone, and the object will be in dative case. For example, beschwert sich bei seinem Chef means he complains to his boss. Next verb is träumen. Now, träumen über means to dream about something. It means a vision while asleep. In this case, the object will be accusative. For example, träumt über die Zukunft means he dreams about the future. Means the person is sleeping and he is dreaming about the future. Another case is träumen von. This time the preposition is von. The object will be dative, and träumen von means to dream of something. Means you are hoping for something or you are doing the imagination. For example, ich träume von einer Reise means I dream of a trip. Next verb is warten. Warten auf means to wait for someone or something. Object will be accusative case. Example is wir warten auf den Bus means we are waiting for the bus. Now next case is we are using the verb warten with the preposition mit. In this case the object will be dative, and warten mit means to wait together with someone. For example, sie wartet mit ihrem Mann means she is waiting with her husband. Next verb is sich entscheiden and the preposition is für. Sich entscheiden für means to decide in favor of something. In this case, the object will be accusative. And the example is ich entscheide mich für das rote Kleid means I decided on the red dress. Next is sich entscheiden and preposition is gegen. Again, the object will be accusative and sich entscheiden gegen means to decide against something. For example, entscheidet sich gegen den Vorschlag means he decided against the proposal. Next verb is helfen. Now, helfen gegen means to help against something. For example, against problem or illness. In this case, the object will be accusative and the example is das Medikament hilft gegen die Schmerzen means the medicine helps against the pain. Next is helfen bei. It means to help with something. The object will be in dative case and the example is sie hilft mir bei der Arbeit means she helps me with the work. The last verb is sich bedanken. Now, first we will use this verb with the preposition für means sich bedanken für. It means to thanks for something and object will be accusative. For example, ich bedanke mich für das Geschenk means I thank you for the gift. Next case is sich bedanken bei. It means to thanks to someone and your object will be dative. Example is ich bedanke mich bei meinem Lehrer. It means I thank my teacher.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are very much into deep information for this particular topic. Please make sure to subscribe German Gyan and keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers. We'll catch you in the next